Guys, welcome back to my channel. um it's good to hear my voice again. I know it's been a while since you heard my voice. Guys, your girl has been going through a lot, but that's story for another day. Once my testimony is ripe, I'll come back and gist you guys. Trust me, I won't leave you guys in the dark. So in today's video, it's just basically about our movement. We are moving from Sunderland to Newcastle in this video, and at this point we had packed everything, and this is just an empty house. Everything is downstairs. We were just waiting for the van to arrive, so I thought, okay, let me just quickly do a video of the house for you guys. So before we eventually leave, everything happens in Newcastle. I work in Newcastle, I school in Newcastle, so it's been a lot of stress and back and forth, having to travel all the time from Sunderland to Newcastle. So we decided to eventually move down for a much easier life, so yes, and I was quite emotional, honestly, guys. I don't know, for some reason I just grew this bond, with this house. Maybe because it was our first house, here in the UK, or because I don't know, but for some reason, or because we lived there for over a year, I don't know, but I was just about to cry at this point, leaving the house. But it is what it is. We had to leave and forge ahead, of course. And yes, this is the empty house. These are the rooms. We had cleared everything, and we just had one or two things to grab, and then we're out. So I'll miss you, Biscup House. So this is the house where we moved to. This is the compound. This is the environment. This is what it looks like. It's a new area in Newcastle. And even the houses are new. They are quite new. As cottages, they are up the hill. As you can see, you have to go through the steps, and there they are. There are 3 houses, and then ours in the middle. They are quite new. This one is just a year old, honestly, and it's a beautiful house. To be fair, it's a beautiful house. I love it here. So as you're entering, to your left, there's a door, and that's the guest toilet. Very cute. It has a mirror on the wall, and that's it basically. So this is an empty house. I'll come back with a furnished house when that one is ready to show you guys the before and after. It will not be fair to show you guys before and not show you the after. So this is the utility room where the washing machine is kept and where the control panel is, and that's my kitchen, of course, my favorite part of the house. And it's also attached to the living room, just like the previous house, and it's a well lit house. I love houses that have these windows. Just gives it this natural brightness, which is perfect for my YouTube content, guys. You know how we roll. This is just the natural light without a ring light or anything, and see how crispy it looks. And that's the freezer, and then the fridge. I won't say it's partially furnished, it's totally unfurnished, completely unfurnished. It's an empty house, unlike the previous one. That one is furnished, but this one is empty, so we have to start furnishing all over again. So that's the bathroom, that's the shower, the sink, and of course the toilet seat, and then the bathtub. It has both the bathtub and the shower. And then the rooms. So this is one of the room, and then there's a door that leads to the courtyard. It's a 2-bedroom apartment. It has 2 rooms, and both rooms have doors that lead to the courtyard. So that's the door that leads outside. That's the courtyard. It's a nice space, self-fenced. Yes, so that's it basically, guys. There's nothing much going on, and it has grasses. Yeah, so that's it, guys. It's a cute house. I love it. Honestly, I love it. It's really nice. It's in a serene environment, quiet. So this is empty. It's an unfurnished apartment. So we had to start buying things all over again from the scratch. But don't worry, I'll come back with another video to show you guys after we had furnished it. It won't be fair to give you half-baked food, you know. So that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this tour. I'll come back again next time with a fully furnished house to show you if we really did justice to it and to rate my interior decor skills. Okay, guys, so till I see you in my next video, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do that now, and please take care of yourselves, and God bless you. Bye bye.